In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Framer optimization warning issues. If you're seeing an optimization warning in Framer, don't panic. These alerts can pop up when the editor or preview gets out of sync or when a previous session leaves behind a stale state. The good news is, this is usually easy to clear without changing your design or code. I'll walk you through a simple refresh flow that resolves the warning in most cases. Start by opening Framer in your browser. Head to the Framer website the same way you normally do. Give the page a moment to load fully so all editor resources initialize cleanly. A fresh load helps the workspace rebuild its internal state and often clears temporary hiccups that trigger optimization notices. Once the site loads, click Go to Dashboard. This takes you to the main hub where you can see all your workspaces and recent projects. Navigating through the dashboard forces Framer to refresh your session and reconnect editor services in the background. Think of it as a soft reset for your workspace. It doesn't alter your files. It simply ensures the editor is running with the latest context and that any outdated preview or build cache is discarded. From the dashboard, reopen the project that showed the warning. Choose it from your recent projects and let it load completely. When the project opens, Framer revalidates assets, rebuilds previews, and rechecks performance and optimization flags. Give it a few seconds to settle. If the warning was caused by a temporary mismatch or interrupted build, it should disappear once everything compiles and the preview stabilizes. You don't need to make edits, just letting the project reopen and finish its checks is often enough. If the problem still persists after reopening, close other browser tabs to free up memory and processing power, then try again. Resource pressure can cause builds to stall or validations to time out, which shows up as optimization warnings. If that doesn't help, restart your device completely and reopen Framer. A full restart clears lingering background processes and resets the browser environment so the editor can start fresh. That's the whole process. Open Framer, go to the dashboard, and reopen your project. In most cases, this quick cycle clears optimization warnings by refreshing the editor state, rebuilding previews, and removing any stale cache. If you follow these steps and give the project a moment to validate, you should be back to a clean, optimized workspace in no time.